Are you looking to take your YouTube Shorts game to the next level? Want to know the insider hacks that will make your videos stand out? Look no further, because in this video, we're going to share 10 YouTube Shorts hacks that feel illegal to know, and show you how to optimize your videos to get more views. First on our list is adding captions to your videos. Not only does it make your videos more accessible to viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing, but captions can also help your videos get more views. Many people watch videos on mute, so captions can help them understand what's happening in your video even without sound. In addition, captions can also help your videos rank better in search results and increase the watch time on your videos. So make sure you add captions to your videos. Second hack is using the power of thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see when they come across your video, so it's crucial that it's eye-catching and accurately represents the content of your video. In 2023, make sure your thumbnails are visually appealing and use bright colors and high-quality images. Also, add text to your thumbnails to give viewers a sense of what your video is about. Third hack is optimizing your video's title. The title of your video is the first thing viewers see when they come across your video on YouTube. So it's important that it's clear and concise and accurately represents the content of your video. Make sure your title is short and sweet, and includes keywords that people are likely to search for when looking for videos like yours. The fourth hack is using keywords in your video's description. This will help your video show up in search results when people are looking for videos like yours. Make sure you include relevant keywords in the first few lines of your video's description. Be specific and use long-tail keywords that are related to your video's content. This will help your video get found by the right audience. Be specific and use long-tail keywords that are related to your video's content. This will help your video get found by the right audience. The fifth hack is creating playlists for your videos. By grouping your videos together in a playlist, you're making it easier for viewers to find and watch your videos. This can help increase the watch time on your channel and boost your visibility on YouTube. The sixth hack is collaborating with other creators. By working with other YouTubers, you can tap into their audience and gain exposure for your own channel. Plus, it's a great way to build relationships and learn from other experienced creators. Look for creators in your niche who have a similar target audience and see if they're interested in collaborating. This can be a win-win situation for both of you. The seventh hack is utilizing end screens and annotations. These tools allow you to add clickable elements to your videos, such as links to your website or other videos on your channel. This can help increase the watch time on your channel and drive traffic to your other content. Make sure your end screens and annotations are well designed and match the theme of your video. This will make them more effective at driving engagement. The eighth hack is sharing your videos on social media. By promoting your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, you can reach a wider audience and drive more views to your videos. Make sure you include a link to your video in your post and use a catchy headline to encourage people to click through and watch your video. The ninth hack is using YouTube's paid promotion options. By using YouTube's advertising platform, you can target specific demographics and increase the visibility of your videos. YouTube's advertising platform can be a powerful tool for growing your channel and driving more views to your videos, but make sure you do your research and understand how it works before diving in. The 10th and final hack is engaging with your audience. By responding to comments and encouraging viewers to share their thoughts and opinions, you can build a loyal fan base and increase engagement on your channel. Make sure you take the time to respond to comments and messages, and show your audience that you value their input. This will help build a sense of community around your channel and keep people coming back for more. Those are the top 10 YouTube Shorts hacks that feel illegal to know. By implementing these strategies, you'll be able to optimize your videos and get more views. Keep experimenting and testing different strategies to see what works best for you. We have another video listing the next 10 YouTube hacks to boost your channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to be notified when the next video comes out. Cheers!